Hey everyone, what's up? So today I'm going to obviously show you guys how I did this eye look. It's a little too dramatic, but then you all know that I love dramatic. So I want to show you guys this look. It is inspired by I'm going to tag the person here because I don't know how to pronounce her name. And I mean, her page is beautiful. Her eye looks are beautiful. So anyways, it's been inspired from that, and let's get started with the tutorial. That's it. I don't do anything else. Like, I have full brows. I just added this tape. Now this is a very simple look, okay? Like just two steps for that matter. So first up, I'm using this Voho Beauty black liner, because I mean, you if you don't have a water activated liner, you could also use an eyeshadow, but then like with liquid liners, like the pigment is very strong, so you know this dark shade is going to be very stark black. With an eyeshadow, like you cannot get, it'll be very smoky feel. You'll not get this stark blackness and this stark shape for that matter, so which is why I chose this. So I'm just gonna activate it with little water. Don't like put too much also, or else it'll just become way too watery. And I'm gonna take this like thin brush. These are basically a nail art set, and you get like for 400-500 bucks you get about 12 brushes, different sizes and stuff. So if you want to use specifically these water activated liners, these brushes kind of come very handy. So now I'll just shape and try to mimic the same shape that I did here. So I pretty much did the same shape as my natural crease line. That's it, as simple as that. But it's really helpful. Next step is very obvious. You got to fill this thing up. So just color the entire space using the same brush. I just realized that for somebody who does not have these water activated liners, and you don't want to use the eyeshadow because it might not come this stark black, maybe you could work with an eyeliner as well. Yeah, like the pot liners and stuff, you could do those too. But then if you're using a pot liner, you have to set it up using a black eyeshadow. You can't just let it be like, because it's creamy, right? So you have to set it up with powder, while this one will just dry on its own. So you don't even have to worry about the shape, because I'm going to just let it dry for a couple of seconds, and it dries pretty quick. So I'm going to just take the tape off because I'm done with it. That's why I just really like applying the tape. It makes my life a lot easier. Using this silver glitter, this I actually got from Amazon. I got a full set for, and this has all the colors and very nice and fine glitter. This is what it looks like, and I got it for 300 rupees all sets. If you guys want, I can send you the link. I don't have that swipe up options. I don't have 10k followers, so yeah. Oops. I'm just gonna apply this glitter glue, and I'm gonna keep everything ready. So the glitter I'm gonna apply with this flat brush, and this is a glue again from Amazon from a brand called Face Up. Now I'm gonna apply the glue somewhere in the middle. Not all over. Now I'll simply start tapping the glitter on. Usually I don't apply a black black kajal, but well, with this look, I mean, it'll go. I also like to apply the kajal on the top lid of my eyes. Like so. Now I'm taking a small smudging brush. This is the PAC ES12 brush. It was part of that set, which is why it has set numbers. But just know that this is a small smudging brush. And I'm not taking any extra product on the brush. I'm simply going to smudge the kajal that I've applied very little, because I don't fancy putting a lot of makeup under the eyes for some reason. I just think it looks odd. Like so, just very light smudge. Alright, now the last thing left is this inner corner, and I apply the same on top. So I'm using Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette, and I'm taking this silver. The reason I'm not using that loose glitter in the inner corner, because it's loose, it can go inside the eye as well, right? So I mean, I don't want to risk it, so which is why I'm using this pressed glitter. Also using a PAC 386 brush. So it's basically a very tiny smudge brush. Just to add a little extra drama to it, I'm gonna apply that same silver a little over my brow bone. Like that. That's it. You're done with the look. Also, I learned a new hack today. So I play a lot with glitters, right? So I learned that if you take this normal tape and you run it on top of all this loose glitter, because I struggle a lot when I'm doing my base, and this glitter tends to, especially the loose one, tends to be all over the place. I mean, this glitter hack works. So basically it's tape and you're just picking the glitter. Might not work, it won't work if you're wearing your foundation. It'll take your foundation off as well, so don't do it if you're wearing foundation in general. But yeah, like that it might. And after this, I'm just gonna apply lashes. That's about it. So I'll do that offline anyways. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.